Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Alya Wulandari. I would like to do my reading report video for topic 13, if I'm not wrong. So, actually, uh, I got wrong material previous week that I read and learn about the topic in this week. So actually it's my bad, but maybe I will recall back about the previous material that I have been discussed with with my group, and also I a little bit I read about the material after the class, because it's really my bad that I get wrong the material, and I know I'm not detail when I see that. So yeah, and in the previous we talk about the production that is production or not, it's about the writing and um no writing, reading and reading and I'm sorry, I get stuck reading and actually I want to searching about that reading and reading and listening, sorry. So we talk about it, about the IELTS, about the band 1 until 9. Actually I already understand about actually what is the brand descriptors. It's like the standard to what is it, what we called it, to assess the IELTS actually. So we have the listening and reading in the previous week, in the previous thing. So yeah, we measure 1 until 9, how far they understand when they are do the reading things and listening things, and then we talk about also, like I have already discussed and give the question with my friend that is present at the day, about that is how is it like what is the standard for us as the English student, to get the, when we having a test or IELTS, what is the expected score that we will get. They actually answer some question, some answer. They said it's standardly it's like 6 until 7, and yeah, there's some of the recall in the previous material. So I will back to the this week material that I have already talked in the previous week, previous reading report video, and I will explain again in this week. So actually, in this first I will talk about the writing band descriptor. So in here is that is two they in the writing is separate into the two tasks. The first one is test 1 and test 2, but how they assess or give the score is same. So they use four aspect. The first one is taste achievement, is it like we answer the question with right or not, but in the taste one is we must clear, and then we can give the overview, and we uh choose the important information. And then like in the taste two, we must answer the question having a clear opinion, and also we can give the reason and also the example. So for the level band 8 until 9, it's like complete, clear, and deep. And then 6 until 7 is enough but not really detailed. And then band 5 is like not really clear. I think I like that. And then the next is coherent and cohesion. So the first one, that is test achievement, and then the second one is the coherence and cohesion. Is it about the flow of our writing, and what is the relation relation between one sentence and the other sentence. What we measure in here, we measure about the flow of idea, and then what the vocabulary that we use, the conjunction, however, therefore, and so that's why something kind of like that. And then our paragraph, and then band 8 until 9 is very neat in nature, and then 6 until 7 is neat, but it's something kind of a little bit a problem. And also band 5 is like too easy. And then the next is lexical research or vocabulary. It's like we see that is how far get that your word choice. So in here we see about the variation of vocabulary or word, and then the meaning and also the idiomatic that they are used. And then grammatical range and accuracy, and about the grammatical and sentence, the structure of the sentence in measuring here about the variation. Also, is it like any error or not in this things. So actually I read again and I want to differentiate between what is the difference between taste 1 and taste 2. So in here taste 2 is like they deliver about the data, and then they describe about the graphic or table, something kind of like that. And here, like, is it like the overview and then the comparison, and then test 2 is more like the essay. We give the opinion, clear reason. It must be like example. And then next maybe I will talk about the writing. Speaking, yeah. So, speaking band descriptor, actually the examiner measure us when we are speaking. So, yeah, it's same. They see in the four K aspect, main aspect. First one is fluency and coherency, lexical research, grammatical range and accuracy, and the last one is pronunciation. The first one is the fluency and coherence. So, is it about our fluency and our flow or coherence when we are speaking? So, what is in see in here? Is it like our fluency? Is it having a pause or not? Is it like make sense or not? It can be long or not. And then the next is, yeah, it's same with writing vocabulary. So it's what we the word choice or what the vocabulary that we are used when we are speaking. So if we like we have many vocabulary, we can use idiom, and we can paraphrase. It can be 8 until 9 a band when we got the score of IELTS. And then next is grammar. Grammar is the our yes, it's the director, the structure of the sentence, but when we are speaking. If we got 8 until 9 is we have many variation of our sentence, and is there's no error in our when we are speaking. And then pronunciation I think is same with the fluency, because they talk about how we can pronounce the what is called when we are pronounce the speaking, when we are explain something. So when band 8 until 9 is it like very clear, it can understandable, and also our action is not influenced when we are speaking. But when like 6 until 7, like in the middle, like it's clear, but sometimes we have the mispronunciation, like I like when I do this reading report. So yeah, so I think that's all for me, because I already also explained the previous video. So that's hopefully that I got its when I understand this materials will be same with my friend what they are also understanding. So yeah, I think that's all for me. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.